Hi guys, here we are at Tallington level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Adam. Lincolnshire. We've left Cambridgeshire now. They've got timers. I can touch the alarm here. Look how low that is.
It's flipping low.
There we go. Now, I just need to get thingy up, timetable.
That is allowed. Oh look, the skirt doesn't come out properly. It's doing what Bolo Lane used to do.
Have you been there?
No, but I've seen some videos from.
Right, Tallington Junction. Here we go. Now the time now is 11:25 on Saturday, the 7th of February 2015, and this is for our. Oh, gone far too far down. This is for our 11:27, 1 Alpha 22 East Coast service from Leeds to London King's Cross, and that's the bridge where people usually film on and get absolutely no crossing footage. Just across from you.
There's an abandoned railway down there.
Where?
You can almost just see it.
Yeah, Paul's seen us.
Oh, Paul's here.
Yes. That alarm is very low.
I know. It's probably because of the bad installers.
That's a pretty good way to put it though.
Yeah. But it's louder than Hobson.
Yeah. I'm not getting any footage on the bridge
Why?
because there's too many people who've done that. Here's the train anyway.
I think I could touch the cable, but I'm not gonna. You're touching the alarm. I could.
See, I can reach it. Look.
I could report that as vandalism. I could report that as vandalism.
Right, here she is.
I'm gonna stay here because I don't like crossings.
I'm gonna go. Well, this crossing has got less tracks and less distance, so we could get across this one. No. Anyways, this is a 8. What is this? An 8 or something?
Let's hope we don't do the break.
Oh, 11:29 1 Lima 06 East Midlands train service from Liverpool Lime Street to Norwich.
What?
There's 2 greens now. Look at that green light. It's flashing.
Oh, it's just a signal.
No, it's not. I've seen it on loads of videos. Here comes a 91 and a 158. There's a Flying Scotsman front. We've got not the steam train, by the way. Double stay. Yes. 82 205. 91 107. Yes. And we got 158 783. 158 783 to Norwich, and up they go. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.